guys, it's GTA 5 car meets tips tricks here, and I'm not doing a tips or tricks video or a car meets. I'm just gonna go around probably kill people because I'm a dick like that. Anyway, don't know what car I choose. I'm a millionaire again. I've probably told you already, and I've tried to make the camera angle a bit more better. I keep trying to do it every time, and I think it's getting quite kind of better. It is. Here we go. Don't know if we should actually go kill people. I probably won't. But they'll probably end up killing me, and otherwise it'll start being a war. Instantly locked on me. Give it to a random player. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go travel to find someone else. Alright, I found some people and they're killing each other. And this person here, I'm gonna kill him, little bag. Maybe not. He's being a little... he killed himself. Pleb. Oh, my mate's joined, apparently. Let's go just cause some ruckus. Because why not? Fucking shit insertion. Just run this dickhead over. Oh my god, whoa. Let's see if this dude shoots at me. Yeah, he's shooting at me. Oh, he killed me. Let's go away! I'm probably gonna get wrecked. I haven't played this in like 10 fucking years. Yeah, as I was saying, this only give me a short fucking video, this is. Fucking hell. Wait, where did he go? Is he off the radar? Cunt, isn't he? Alright. Oh my god. Fucking police on me already. I'll let him drive my fucking insurgent. I'm nice like that. Oh, let's see if we can kill these people, huh? He's dead. He's dead. Oh, I used to be well good at GTA. I'm alright now, but you know, I used to be good at it. Let's try and get these people. Fucking plebs. Oh, look, they're going around there trying to kill me. Fucking bellends. Let's try and kill this. Is that the girl who fucking killed me last time? Isn't she? No, nearly killed me last time. Right. GTA 5 online.